It is being made to appear in the media and with no help by some so-called human rights advocates. Next slide, please. That grabe ang patayan araw-araw. Please take note from 2010 to 2015 during the Aquino administration, an average of 35 ang patay araw-araw. Ngayon po, sa ilalim ni Presidente Duterte, 20 po. No, more than about a third are now, their lives are now being saved every day because of the efforts of the PNP. Next slide. The old norm was drug lords and their cohorts acted with impunity. People have low trust sa PNP, fiscals, judges, high-ranking government officials are involved in the illegal trade or protectors, and people hindi nakakadama na sila secure sa kanilang bahay, sa kalye, sa kanilang trabaho. Ngayon po, the respect and fear for the law has been restored. Drug lords and their supporters are on the run. People are beginning to feel safe, renewed trust on our law enforcers and government under President Duterte. Next slide. Are we using the term extrajudicial killings loosely to discredit the PNP and Duterte administration? Whether it is the Commission on Human Rights or our dear chairperson, I was hoping that they would educate the people more and the media para hindi sila ma-mislead na lahat ng patay ay extrajudicial killings. Bakit po? Ito po ang sinabi ng dalawang justice. Next slide. There is a need for a clear-cut killing of what the extrajudicial killing is. The name is a misnomer since every killing outside death penalty is extrajudicial. Dalawang justice po nagsabi niyan. So ano po ang ginawa ng Aquino administration? Gumawa po sila ng AO 35. Di ko na babasahin dahil 5 minutes lang oras ko. Next slide. Dito po ang importante. The victim was a member or affiliated of an organization to include political, environmental, agrarian, labor, or similar causes. An advocate of the above-named causes, a media practitioner, etc. Ibig sabihin po, labor leader ka, media ka, religious leader, pinatay ka dahil sa paniniwala mo. Next slide. That was very clear for the purpose of the focused mandate of AO 35 na ginawa ng Aquino administration. Ang common criminals at ang crime sa kanila hindi kasama sa extrajudicial killings. Next slide. Yan po ang pirma ng dating Secretary de Lima, Department of Justice, IAC Chair. So alam po nila yan. Lahat ng nagpapa-interview sa CHR at ating mahal na chairperson, alam po nila yan. Next slide.